Hey guys, this is part 1 of Russian Roulette. When I played the video back, it was like really hard to hear me, so I'm doing this awkward voiceover. So from the beginning, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look to the left. And then when you go into the beginning, you kind of like go in with the sideways wave and then step right, left, look, and hold until everyone else goes. And like practice, we're all going to start like one beat behind each other, so we're not all starting on the first beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, look. And then wait till 5, 6, and then step out with your right foot and draw your hand by your hip. And 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then hush, so that's right hip, left shoulder, mouth. And then you're going to turn around, pivot on your left leg, and you're going to turn clockwise. So turn around to the right, and then you're just going to wait like this with your feet together until until 1. So 1, 2, 3, and then turn on 4 and straight leg, bent leg, straight, and then 7 and 8. And I'm stepping with my right leg slightly turned in, and you kind of bend and do the wave thing with your arms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you run for 5, 6, 7, you're going to kind of roll your shoulders back a little bit like that. So 5, 6, 7, jump 8. And actually your hand's supposed to be in a fist like that. And then you're going to step on your right foot first. So right, left, left, right. Bend your right foot, and then you switch, bend your left, and then your right. So it'll be right, left, right. Step out, clap, and turn your right foot in a little bit. So for the hands, we do out, snap, step, left thumb, and your head is up, and then you switch to your pointer finger, and your head will go down. And then you switch hands to the right thumb with your head back up again. And then you step, clap, and that's going to be on 7 and 8. And then after that, you're going to step forward slightly with your right foot. So step and draw your hand up by your hip again, like kind of down like that. Then step back and push your hair up kind of with your right arm. And then the timing for that will be and 4. So you're going to step out right, left on and 4. Same with your hands. So 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you step out like that, and 4. Right shoulder to left shoulder on and 4. And then, so it's going to be 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Then we do our little transition, and then we go 7, 8, brush your shoulder off like that. 7, 8, and then the next step after that shoulder brush will be in the opposite V, like that. And so the next step, 7 and 8, step out right with your head to the left, and your hands are kind of like down. Step in, step left. Then 5, 6, your hand continues up. So if you're on the right side, you'll be your roll, and then your left hand goes up in a fist, and then it opens on jaku. And then if you're on the left side, you'll roll up and then bend, right fist open. And the timing's not exactly on like 1, 2 or the and step. It's like it's like something jaku, so like open on that part. And then after you open, you're gonna step whichever side you're on. You go 1, 2, 3. So just like little baby steps, and you clap up, middle, down, and then out. And then I'm not too worried about which leg you start on, just whatever's comfortable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then transition to the chorus parts. So now I'm just going to go through the whole thing with counts and no music. So you face to the right, like face this way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Ha ha hush. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.